Greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's do this wonderful style you're seeing on the screen together. Alright, so just bring out your second material, your second fabric. That is what we are going to use for this beautiful elegant style. Alright, so the division is 40-60. That means one side is a little bit longer than other side. Alright, so you see this side now is shorter while this side is longer. So that side that is longer is the 60 while the side that is short is the 40. Alright, so placing it on your head this way, I'll start taking my pleats, wash closely, I pull it up and drop. That is the first line. I'm going to pull up again and drop. This is how you create your plait. Very simple. You can also do this style without plaiting it. You can go ahead, place it on your head and do it straight. Alright, but at times or most of the time I like plaiting because plaits will give you this positive vibes. Alright, so I'm taking my plate now. I think I took about 4 plates so that I'll be able to have leftover at the back to close the back. But if you're not closing the back, you have a beautiful hairdo, you can go ahead and plait maybe 6, 7, 8 plates. Alright, so that the back will be open. But if you're closing it, you have to take just 2, 3, 4 plates will be okay, so that you have enough material left to close the back. Alright, so you can see what I'm doing now. I'm just arranging the pleats, just arrange the lines of the pleats and make sure that they are equal, make sure they are aligned with each other very neatly. Alright, so after arranging it, hold it this way to your back and then cross it. Let that shorter part come up while the longer handle goes down. Alright, so just cross it this way and you come back to the front. Pay attention to this strap. It's very simple, very easy. Now if you want it to be high, you can hold it from the middle like this. But if you don't want it too high, you can just reduce your hand a little bit the way I did now. I don't want it to be too high. Then you start taking your plate. Just plait it, plait and plait and plait, plait. Then watch closely what I'm doing now. Plait, then you raise it up this way. Raise it up while still holding it. Remember, you no use pin, no rubber band. So make sure one of your hand is holding it very firmly while you use the other hand to raise this side up. You can twist this side if you want, but I don't want to twist it. I just want to put it like that. Just arrange it neatly and then you use it to hold this part that you pleated. No pin, no rubber band that is holding that plate. Now twist the remaining part, as you can see, to the back. Just twist it completely to the back. Now twist it, then you use your office pin to hold it. It's very easy, very simple, but it will surely come out elegantly. Alright, so picking your office pin now, you hold it, just pin it. Look for anywhere that is comfortable for you and pin it. Make sure you pin it very firmly. You can pin twice just to make sure it is very firm. Alright, so coming to the front now, I fold this side a little bit in because I don't want it to be too high. Then this side too, I spread it and fold it. Pay close attention to what I am doing now. Alright, so bringing the two of them together this way, I make sure I pin it together. Watch closely now. I bring it together. Now that middle where I cross it looks as it's open, so but I drag the two edges down very well so that I can use pin to pin it and it will close so that that place will not be open. Okay, so you wash my hand now. So I pick pin, I've pinned it together. Now you see that place is closed now. So the up now, I'm bringing it together also. Pay close attention now. Then use your office pin as well and bring the two edges together. Merge them, let them come together. Wet them, let them come together. I don't know how you want to say it. Then this edge now, drag it down a little bit and use the office pin to pin it to the base of the head wrap as well, so that that edge will not be flying like butterfly. You keep careful. Alright, so we're still on it anyway. So I'm trying to adjust the inside. Alright, so this other side now, I adjust it. Then here, if you don't really want it big, just drag it down. You see, just drag it down to reduce the size. Alright, so drag it down. Use your office pin to pin it as well. So dragging it down, you reduce the size of the head wrap. So if you're not the type that like bogus head wrap on your head, always use your pin to drag wherever you don't like that and pin it, and the head wrap will just obey you. Alright, coming to the back now. Want to close the back, pay close attention. So the SSs, I'm folding it inside, folding it and bringing it down. Watch closely now. I'm folding the SSs in and bringing it down. So when I get to the end of the head wrap, I pick my office pin and pin it there. Then what is left now is for you to do the final setting, the final arranging. Alright, and you're good to go. So please and please, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igele Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. So please do want to drop your like and your comment. Don't just watch and walk away. I am begging you, please. I'm on my knees. Don't just watch and walk away. You can see how beautiful, how elegant it is. So drop your like and your comments. Let's learn together. Share my video to your friends and family. Let them also benefit. Yes, and above all, please don't forget to subscribe. Please help me to stay tuned on this channel. Just subscribe. Follow me on my YouTube channel, Let's Learn Together. Follow me on my Facebook, Let's Learn Together. Facebook has split video like a mad. So if you really want to take your time to learn, follow me on my YouTube channel, Demi Igele Empire. That is the name. Alright, so let's learn together. It is cool time to rock and rock and rock. Thank you all my new subscribers and old. See you in my next video.